Hello guys, welcome to Coding Byte. Arch Linux is renowned for its popularity and extensive usage among advanced users and developers, thanks to its unparalleled customizability, flexibility, and incorporation of cutting-edge features. However, Arch Linux's minimalist design primarily relies on the command line interface, CLI, through the terminal for software installation, which may not be suitable for everyone's comfort level. For those who prefer a graphical user interface, GUI, for package management, numerous options are available to simplify the process. When selecting a GUI-based package manager for Arch Linux, it is essential to consider several factors to ensure a seamless experience. The package manager should provide a clean and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, especially for beginners. A well-designed interface enhances usability and facilitates efficient package management. The chosen package manager should support all essential package management operations, including installation, removal, updating, and package searching. These functionalities are crucial for maintaining a well-managed and up-to-date system. Advanced features like dependency resolution and support for OR, Arch User Repository, packages are highly desirable. Dependency resolution ensures that all required dependencies for a package are automatically installed, simplifying the installation process. OR support allows users to access a vast repository of community-contributed packages, expanding the software options available. Considering Arch Linux's minimalist philosophy, it is preferable for the package manager to be lightweight and not consume excessive system resources. This ensures optimal system performance while managing packages and avoids unnecessary strain on the system. By evaluating these factors, users can choose a GUI-based package manager for Arch Linux that aligns with their needs and preferences, providing a user-friendly interface, comprehensive functionality, advanced features, and efficient resource utilization. Let's explore some of the popular GUI-based package managers for Arch Linux. PacMac. The first GUI package manager in this list is PacMac, developed by the Manjaro Linux team. It has a nice and user-friendly interface, makes it super easy to use. The intuitive interface makes it easy for users to install, remove, and update packages. It is built upon libelpm with OR. PacMac also supports AppStream Protocol with Snap and Flatpak as well, so you can directly launch the application installer from AppStream links. Furthermore, it has advanced features, such as dependency resolution and support for OR packages. Additionally, PacMac is lightweight and doesn't consume too many system resources. Using its GUI, you can browse the Arch repositories, also view applications based on their functionality. There are separate sections in the PacMac GUI that enable you to remove and uninstall packages, including orphan ones. The following GUI package manager in this list is Octopi, another nifty tool. It is built using Qt and comes with a productive GUI feature-wise. It's a much advanced tool. Using Octopi, you can search for packages, install them and, of course, remove them as well. Furthermore, you can view details about each package fetched directly from the Arch repo. For example, the package version, last updated date, news, and other information. In addition, it allows you to view the PKGBUILD information of a package, which is an excellent feature if you want to investigate further about a package. Finally, it's super lightweight and doesn't become heavy on system resources. I think Octopi is completely underrated and one of the feature-rich software managers for Arch Linux. The third one in this list is GNOME Software, which you are probably already aware of. It is the default software manager for Ubuntu, Fedora and many other distributions. Based on GTK4, it supports all types of packages such as .deb, .rpm, Flatpak and Snap. In Arch Linux, it supports the main Arch repo, including the user repository, OR. However, it might be a little heavy on system resources compared to the other apps in this list. But it's a modern package manager and can work great for various use cases. My personal favorite is Discover, one of the best software managers from the KDE Plasma team. If you used Kubuntu or any other KDE Plasma desktop, you are already familiar with it. Discover supports all major packaging formats, including deb, RPM, Flatpak and Snap. It has a well-defined information page for software and its sources. You can also search by application name or browse the catalog based on application category. For Arch Linux, it can fetch packages and information from main Arch repos and OR. Bud is a relatively new GUI-based package manager for Arch Linux. It has a simple and user-friendly interface, makes it easy for users to manage their packages. Its main window gives you all the options to manage applications in your Arch Linux system. The primary search box enables you to search applications. Also, you can browse via types such as only Flatpaks or etc packages. In addition, using Bud's main GUI, you can downgrade and update packages one by one, view information about packages, and even launch the application directly. A well-designed settings panel gives you all the customization options you need. In this video, we explored a selection of GUI-based package managers for Arch Linux, which includes PubMac, Octopi, GNOME Software, Discover, and Bud. Each of these package managers offers its unique set of strengths and weaknesses, catering to different user preferences and requirements. It's important to assess your specific needs and priorities to determine the most suitable package manager for you. Based on my recommendation, I suggest trying out PubMac, Octopi, or Bud. These package managers have been well regarded and have received positive feedback from users. However, it's always a good idea to experiment with different options and see which one aligns best with your workflow and provides the features and usability you seek. Ultimately, the choice of a GUI-based package manager for Arch Linux depends on your individual preferences, desired functionality, and ease of use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Linux-related content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.